One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one
apple,
but he was still
hungry.
On Tuesday, he ate through two
Pears,
but he was still
hungry.
On Wednesday, he ate through three
Plums,
but he was still
hungry.
On Thursday, he ate through four
Strawberries,
but he was still
hungry.
On Friday, he ate through five
Oranges,
but he was still
hungry.
On Saturday, he ate through one piece of
Chocolate
cake,
one
one
ice cream cone,
one
pickle,
one
slices,
Swiss cheese,
Swiss cheese,
and one slice of
salami,
one
lollipop,
one piece of
cherry pie,
one
sauces,
one
lemon,
cupcake, and one slice of
lime.
watermelon. That night he had a
Stomachache.
The next day was Sunday again.
Yes.
The caterpillar ate through one nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful... What is he? Maddie, what is he?
Tudor.